How to fix installed apps not showing on home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the problem where your installed apps are not showing on your home screen. Now, before we begin, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's just jump right in. There is one setting that you need to enable. Go ahead and open up your settings menu on your phone. Once you open up your settings, just go ahead and find your home screen settings. Now scroll down here, tap on home screen. Once you get to this, you can scroll down and you'll find an option where it says add new apps to home screen. Go ahead and enable this. So I'll just tell you guys what this does. Whenever you install a new app from Play Store, your app usually shows up in your app drawer if you have it enabled and not on your home screen. Now, if I just go ahead and search for any one of the app for now, so let's just go ahead and tap on this, tap on install, and wait for it. As you can see here now, the app is installing, and once it's successfully installed, I'll just go ahead and go to my home screen. There was a pop-up saying there is a shortcut created. So I can just go ahead and swipe up here and then find the app here on my home screen. As well as if I just go over to the side, I'm able to see this shortcut right here. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.